Hi everyone and welcome to Astar's. In a previous episode we showed you a little lotion and potion here, a handy home hint, which was with onion and with lemon, and what else did we put in here?
Aniseed, essential oil.
Aniseed and eucalyptus. What I did want to tell you is that if you don't want to have the whole thing in there, and you know how I like the whole thing, you can strain it and it's fantastic. But Bo, you know, sometimes the cough just doesn't go away. What else can we do about it?
Well, if you really, like this is, I like to talk about to break a cough for adults, but I also like to talk about children.
Yeah, because that's a worry. I can remember when my son was
you have to be
like
ever so gentle. So let's talk about adults first. What I like to do is, eucalyptus has been rubbed on chests for centuries, so it's absolutely famous and everybody would know it. So therefore, if you have eucalyptus essential oil of a therapeutic grade, it's a really strong, very clean smell. And you add, and I can vouch for this, it sounds a bit strange, but you add 5 drops to the sole of your feet each before you go to bed.
5 drops?
5 drops each, and rub it onto the sole of your foot.
I think I need to try this.
Okay, off you go.
Okay, hold on. Excuse me, everyone.
Ooh, that's very good.
Do you like that? This is because I do ballet.
So you put it inside, in the instep, and you just, it's not oily because it's just a pure.
I'm sorry about the state of my feet, but I do ballet.
Okay, go on.
Then you just rub that in.
1 foot each, 5 drops, and you just quite vigorously, and then you put your sock on, and it.
Holy moly! It's quite heating and it's quite strong. So that will go into my system.
That will go into your system, and within 15 minutes you can smell it in your out breath. That's how quickly it goes.
Hello. Hey, that's quick and easy.
Yeah, it's very quick and easy, and you've got 200 drops inside the bottle. So therefore, of course, you've got plenty of application for your.
And so how many times would you do that?
I would suggest you do that
until the cough's gone?
Well, definitely at night, and maybe before you go out in the morning, but maybe 3 times a day is all you need.
Oh, it smells so nice. So now, what about for babies?
Well, for babies, you need to be much gentler, and there isn't actually much around for babies. So we've developed a very specific little remedy for them, and it's called Baby Care Nose and Chest.
Yeah, because I know it's a terrible thing with children. And you hear
so
them
they, when you have little babies, if you have a smell of this and compare to the eucalyptus, you will smell that it's so much nicer.
Oh, why couldn't I be a baby? That smells
you can use it, of course, as well. I mean, it's not like you can. I mean, I use it. So the Baby Care Nose and Chest, you just want it. You don't want it on baby's skin. So, because baby's skin is so sensitive, so you want it somewhere close to baby's nose. You could either diffuse it in the room, or you can put a bowl with hot water underneath its bed so that the vapor rises and it can smell it. Or you know how they have got jumpsuits on, so you can put 1 drop onto the jumpsuit and it will be sort of close to the nose without actually being on the skin.
Just 1 drop, that's all you need.
Just 1 drop, that's all you need.
Okay, that's interesting, just 1 drop.
And it's absolutely gorgeous.
It does smell lovely.
So when baby grows up to be a little bit older, like 2 or 3 years old, you could take 1 drop and put it on the sole of their feet to just help with breaking a cough.
Ah, that's an interesting thing.
Now what we have done, because we are very careful with this sort of application, we created a sort of a, how we all know the Vicks.
Vicks, slap on the Vicks.
Yes, so we've created an organically certified natural Vicks, and this is called Chest Care Cream, and it is in particular designed for babies. There's nothing not natural in there.
Oh, great! So new mums, great.
Totally from nature. So have a wee play with this. So the cream is organically certified.
And you just put this, you can just rub this on baby's chest.
Yep. You can rub it on baby's chest, you can rub it on your chest, you can rub it on...
It goes a long way, doesn't it?
It goes a long way.
Oh, look at that. Oh, and it smells beautiful. And what a pity that 25 years ago when my son was born, we didn't have access to this.
You can still use it on him now.
Slade, come and have some of this on your wee chest from Mummy.
It's very good for the skin as well.
Yeah, that's great. on their little bottoms and on their chests and all over them?
Not on the bottom, but anywhere on the
upper body.
On the upper body.
Oh, that's great. Have you got any other handy little hints that you can share?
Well, we with the eucalyptus being just one essential oils, we've actually created a sort of a combination which is called Breathe Easy. So it's, you know how we talked about the aniseed in our onion? So we've got aniseed in here, as well as some eucalyptus, as well as some other essential oils which are helping with coughs. And this has been a very good remedy. It's called Breathe Easy.
And that's
7 or 8 different essential oils
for adults. For
so
adults.
the baby care, nose and chest is for children, and the Breathe Easy is for adults.
Solved. Bo, thank you so much. I'm informed and I'm feeling much, much better about the fact that I can look after myself.
And you smell nice.
And I do always smell very nice. Thanks for calling, and I hope that we have been of assistance to you. See you another day.